All right, class, today we're going to look at the ratios within similar triangles. All right, so right here we have three triangles, and we're trying to decide which pair of triangles are similar to one another. Okay, so right now looking at them, they all kind of look like they are similar. I will tell you they are definitely not drawn to scale by any means. So if we're trying to decide which are similar, what we actually want to do is actually do question number 2 first. We're going to write the ratio of the smallest side compared to the largest side of these triangles to see if we can use that to help us find the scale factor. So if I look at this one, if I put the smaller side over the larger side, let's see, that would be 9 over 15. Okay, that's the small side over the large side of that one. On this one, if I look at the small over the large, I would have 3 over 5. That's small side over the large side. And on this one, the small over the large side would be 7 over 25. So we're seeing, can we use any of these to decide if they're similar? Well, what we want to do is see, will do any of them reduce? Well, 9/15 does. If I divide each of those by 3, 9 divided by 3 makes 3. 15 divided by 3 makes 5. Ooh, what do we notice? This and this happen to have the exact same ratio. So therefore, let's take a look at this one though. Can that one reduce? Well, no, it can't. So we know then right away that these two should be similar to each other. So we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle, let's see, ABC, we want to go HIJ. Those two are similar to each other. Okay, and then the ratio of the small over the large side, so for ABC that was 3 over 5, which was equal to HIJ, which was 9 over 15. Okay, so when they're similar to each other, the ratio of those adjacent sides, the small side over the large side, would be the same. Okay, now it also says to find the scale factor from one triangle to the other. Okay, now it doesn't say which one to which one, so we have two scale factors, right? So from ABC to HIJ. And then we also have from HIJ back to ABC. So if I look at those, so if I want to pair them up, I can see the 3 is the shortest side on ABC and 9 is the shortest side on HIJ. I can use those to find scale factor. So from ABC to HIJ, it's getting bigger, so I would do 9 divided by 3, which would be 3 times bigger. And then reversing that from HIJ back to ABC, it's getting smaller. I would do 3 divided by 9, which would be 1/3. So again, notice my scale factors are just reciprocals of one another. Okay, now I should be able to pick any sides and that should work. Notice the 5 goes into 15 3 times and the 4 goes into 12 3 times. So no matter which pair I pick, I would have that same scale factor. All right, so that's it for this section.